Good evening. A former fire chief who pleaded guilty in a child pornography case admits that he was wrong and has asked for forgiveness.
A judge sentenced Jim Sideras this morning in a case we've been following for nearly 2 years. KELOLAND's Kelly Volk sat in the courtroom and has audio from today's sentencing as the final chapter played out.
Good evening, you two. Jim Sideras pleaded guilty to 1 count of child pornography possession back in November. The count focuses on 1 image tied to a Samsung laptop Sideras admitted to owning. Investigators found the image on a website and a Yahoo chat. Today, a judge sentenced him to 6 years suspended. That means he won't have to spend any time behind bars in prison as long as he follows certain conditions set by the judge.
Jim Sideras told the courtroom he takes full responsibility for his actions.
On Saturday, March 3rd, 2016, I did open a file that was sent to me. It happened on more than 1 occasion. I did not search for pictures and only opened those that were sent to me. I did not save them, and I deleted them.
Sideras says he felt embarrassed and wasn't brave enough to seek help from a local therapist.
Instead, I tried to seek help from therapy sites on the internet, which caused me more problems. My actions have embarrassed my family, organizations I've been involved with, myself, and potentially put a fragile population at risk for exploitation on the internet.
In court today, Minnehaha County State's Attorney Aaron McGowan said there are 2 different sides of Jim Sideras. One is a public servant who served the community for decades. But the same man once faced 10 counts of child pornography possession before getting 9 of them dismissed as a part of a plea agreement. McGowan says the then lead detective in the case estimates around 100 child pornography images were linked to the 10 counts. In court today, it was noted Sideras' behavior online began as a type of therapy for something that happened to him as a child.
It is concerning to the state that in seeking therapy, this defendant would end up in incest-type chat rooms.
Today, Judge Robin Howman said this child pornography case lands at the low end of the spectrum compared to others.
There's no evidence that the defendant sought out images of child pornography. There's no evidence that he distributed images of child pornography, and no evidence that these images were repeatedly viewed.
Oh, sorry.
Judge Howman said there's also no evidence Sideras targeted children or solicited any person or image through the internet. She added something positive can come from this devastation.
Silent victims in our community can see how childhood abuse can materialize in a way that no one could ever imagine.
I hope someday I can regain the trust that I have lost.
It was also highlighted in court Sideras has no criminal history. McGowan called the sentence appropriate.
What the court could glean from the psychosexual evaluation, there are not ongoing concerns as far as danger to the public. There is a strong likelihood of success on probation. There is not a need for a lengthy penitentiary sentence to protect the public.
While Sideras won't have to spend time in prison, he was sentenced to 100 days in jail. Now, he could spend part of that time on electric monitoring. He'll have to register as a sex offender.
All right, thanks a lot, Kelly.